A source close to insider experts reveals that the elderly Chinese hydrologists have done collapse simulations for the Three Gorges Dam. The results show that the entire southern China will be flooded and only areas north of the Yellow River will be safe. In other words, the damage is not limited to just areas downstream of the dam. According to the simulation, if the Three Gorges Dam collapses, the first affected area is not its downstream cities and Yichang, where the dam is. The first affected is actually Sichuan province, upstream of the dam. A huge landslide will form a landslide dam or barrier lake, a natural damming of a river by landslides such as debris flows and rock avalanches. This will cause the water level in the upstream to rise drastically, which will reach the Sichuan basin. Water will accumulate in the Sichuan area and then rush downstream. The accumulation period will not be too long. When the water gushes down, the damage power will be more severe than if it would go down first. Yichang, where the dam is located in Hubei province, will not get the heaviest blow. The worst areas will be the cities in the middle of the Yangtze River's downstream. Only one place is safe in the Hubei province, which is Shandongjia, because the altitude of Shandongjia is high enough. Therefore, the CCP Ministry of Water Resources built a resort in Shandongjia. The real purpose is for it to serve as a sanctuary in the event of a flood caused by the collapse of the Three Gorges Dam. The source also says that many outsiders have tried to analyze whether their dam will collapse and simulate a potential collapse, but they have to deal with the official CCP numbers, of which many are false. An earthquake or a landslide in the upstream areas will put critical pressure to the dam, and we are seeing some of these recently. Since June, continuous rainfalls have driven frequent geological disasters such as flash floods, landslides, and debris flows. Sichuan, Chongqing, and other places upstream of the dam have experienced debris flow disasters. On July 1st, a landslide occurring in Sichuan, Chongqing caused mudslides blocking the Sichuan section of Chongqing S010 Third Ring Expressway, and the traffic was interrupted both ways. The volume of the mountain where the landslide occurred was about 10,000 cubes, and the debris flow was very powerful. Everything it passed washed away. Prior to this, in the early morning of June 17th, Danba County, Sichuan province, saw floods and debris flows due to heavy rain. The debris flows blocked the Shaojin-Tuan River and formed a barrier lake. After the landslide dam collapsed in the lake, the flood rushed to the downstream Meilongguo village. The flood shot down and destroyed the villages and houses along the way. 2 villages disappeared instantly. An earthquake also happened in addition to landslides and debris flows. On July 2nd, a 3.2 magnitude earthquake occurred in Ru'ergai County, Sichuan, upstream of the Three Gorges Dam. Although the earthquake was a slight one, it might trigger serious geological dangers and affect the safety of the Three Gorges Dam. Some of the more severe challenges to the Three Gorges Dam may have yet to come. According to the forecast of the Chinese Meteorological Department, there will be heavy rainfall for at least 10 days in the future. The main rain band will be from the Sichuan Basin to Hubei, Anhui, Jiangsu, Zhejiang provinces, and Shanghai. The Ministry of Water Resources and the China Meteorological Administration have jointly issued meteorological warnings for mountain flood disasters.